YouTube? It's me again. I was reading online. Somebody asked a question: should I buy electric tools or air tools? And my answer was basically, I don't know. You can buy both if you want, or you can buy all electric tools. But here are some of the things that I like about air tools. One, you can blow some air through stuff. You got one of these, you can clean stuff. You also can fill up tires. An air compressor. This is a simple little tool you can buy. You can also buy one of these air sprayers and blow balloons up and blow all kinds of things. These are all simple tools. And then, like me, you can buy angle grinders. And you can also, you can use these, I forget what they're called, the little roll lock things there. Hasn't been off in a while. You can use wire brushes. You can also just dedicate some for sanding. This I did not. This one's a Blue Point one. I did not buy it. I won't tell you where it came from. Somebody gave it to me. These are Chicago Pneumatic. This is Chicago Pneumatic. You can also get an angle head drill. You can get little socket wrench ones or miniature impact ones just for taking bolts out. You can get, I don't even know what, 45 degree. The disc broke off. This is also Chicago Pneumatic. You can get straight angled ones, which this I used it for a carbide, cutting off steel. You also can get, this is an Ultra Pro. It's an El Cheapo one. It's a nibbler for cutting steel. Nibble, nibble, nibble. See? You can get another right hand angle grinder. This thing is a pneumatic reciprocating saw. Stick a blade in there and bzzz, you can cut all kinds of stuff. Mine right here split in half. I have to get a new one. The little thing in here, I don't know if you can see it inside there, but it split right in half, and Chicago Pneumatic won't sell me a part for it, so I'm gonna have to take it apart and probably make a new one. You can also get a pneumatic scraper. This thing works amazing. You want to strip paint? Oh man, this thing will shred paint right off anything. It'll take, I don't know, does the job. You can also get a pneumatic air chisel. Not air chisel, a pneumatic socket wrench. You can also buy a pneumatic vacuum, a pneumatic riveter, which I'm going to make a video for Arco for that one. You can buy all sorts of pneumatic tools. But the question is why would you buy pneumatic tools over electric? Well, let's just show you something. Here's the difference. Let me go get something for you. Let me get something here. When it comes to doing grinding, you might want to get into tight spaces. Here's a grinder. This is a standard grinder. Well, if you want to grind something down with an air tool, look at the difference. This is a standard grinder, and this is an air grinder. My reasoning is, this thing can get into tighter places than this thing. So why would you buy air tools? One, a pneumatic nibbler is a lot cheaper than an electric nibbler. Air sanders, you can buy them used. People almost throw them away online. But for me personally, I think, don't get me wrong, I love electric tools. But some of the tools like these are cheaper. They last longer if you oil them every day. They're easy to maintain. I think these ones online go for about 50 bucks. So if you got to do any grinding, I'll move this over so you can see a little better. Here's the difference in grinder size. So if you do the math, and if you're doing any grinding in tight spaces, you can also, I'll show you the difference. This is my drill. Well, where's my other drill? This is the difference between an electric Dewalt drill and a pneumatic grinding drill. You might not get, might not be able to bring this in your house unless you have a compressor. But I think mostly for size, they're durable, and when they break, you can probably get 50 cents in recycling for them. So yeah, I've bought these over the course of years. They're they're worth as much as almost nothing now. I mean, they're plenty of used and abused, but I picked Chicago Pneumatic because, well, you know what? It's a decent company. Most of their tools say made in Taiwan, or some of them made in Japan. Like this one is made in Taiwan. This one's Taiwan. This one's made in Taiwan. This one is made in Japan. But they're good quality tools. They're not expensive, and for the price of a Dewalt, what do you call it, grinder thing there, I could probably buy 2 or 3 of these, and I don't have to worry about buying lithium batteries. The batteries, these die out like crazy. This don't take any batteries. Mind you, it takes electric from the wall, but that's my take on pneumatic tools. So if you like this little short video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.